It's Max, it's Max. He's the cranky puppet.
Bite me. I'm really getting the hang of the songwriting thing.
Max, you do realize you're just taking other people's songs and writing new, inappropriate lyrics?
Bite me. Here's another one for Trump.
Oh, we're gonna get sued.
The minute you walked in the joint, I could see you were a man of no morals, a real big loser. So loathed and so reviled. Say, wouldn't you like to know what's going on in my mind? Well, let me get right to the point. I don't flip the bird to every man I see. Hey, big loser! Get the hell out of D.C. I'd really like to kick your ass. Ass.
Max! He's the cranky puppet.
Bite me. This is an insult to puppets everywhere.